Egypt is a country with a rich history and culture unlike any other. It's home to the Sphinx, the pyramids, and one of the world's oldest civilizations. It's an extraordinary land, and if you want to see all of that firsthand, then I should suggest that you keep watching this video. Hi there, I'm Dalma, your cool iVisa travel expert, and I'll be telling you exactly how you can make your next trip to Egypt as easy as a breeze. Before we do that, we shall feel really appreciated if you click that like button below and subscribe to our channel. Why Egypt? Well, for starters, the city of Cairo is one of the world's oldest cities, a bustling metropolis with a rich history of art and culture. For the beach bums, there's Alexandria, a seaside city known for its beautiful architecture and waterfront promenades. These sites draw millions of visitors every year. And who can forget the Great Pyramids at Giza? You can see them in person and wonder about all the possibilities of how these massive structures were built. Were the Egyptians friends with aliens? I like to think so. Who knows? There's also Abu Simbel Temple in Aswan, Siwa Oasis, or Wadi Al Rayyan National Park. These options are endless. Hang on, but what about the visa process? Bet it's as complicated as building a pyramid. Not with iVisa. This is where we come in to save the day. Ask yourself, are you ready for your next adventure, but without all the hassle of documentation and paperwork? Say hello to iVisa, the app that gets your travel documents sorted in a matter of minutes. With the iVisa app, you can easily get travel documents and book your next trip. Just enter the required info, and one of our well-experienced travel experts will take care of the rest. We at iVisa will do all the hectic work for you so that you can just relax and daydream about your upcoming trip. We will submit your visa application on your behalf, and once the government approves your application and your visa arrives, it will land in your email inbox without any fuss. Download it today and start traveling like a boss. Visiting Egypt does come with some travel advisories and restrictions. The COVID travel restrictions to Egypt have been lifted, so you no longer require a vaccine certificate or pre-departure PCR test. The fact that Egypt is open for tourism and there are no active flight suspensions is great news for you. With this new development, you can travel to Egypt and enjoy your vacation without worrying about the safety of your flight. This means that you can go there and enjoy all the wonders this beautiful country has to offer. However, we do suggest you avoid areas that come under the danger of any possible terrorist activity. The government of the UK advises against any but essential travel to the east part of the Suez Canal. The US travel state government has Egypt under the level 3, meaning reconsider travel category. It advises travelers to exercise extreme caution because the US embassy's limited ability to provide assistance in Egypt. They advise against traveling to the Sinai Peninsula, Western Desert, and Egyptian border areas due to terrorism and military zone. You may also want to avoid crowds and have proper and comprehensive medical insurance in place. The government of Canada advises exercising a high degree of caution due to the unpredictability of Egypt's law and order situation. They ask the travelers to avoid all travel to the Governorate of North and South Sinai as well, the Western Desert, and all areas within 50 kilometers of the Libyan border area. You may also face high volumes of traffic, street closures, disruptions to transportation, and limited accommodations due to the COP27 summit being held in Sharm el-Sheikh this month till the 18th. iVisa gets the job done faster and easier. Not only do we at iVisa offer services through our app, but also through our easy-to-navigate website. Let's go through the easy 5-step process together. Step 1. Go to iVisa.com, choose your nationality and Egypt as your destination. Step 2. Now click on Apply Now. Step 3. Type in your email address. Make sure you write your email address correctly, as this is the address we will use for all communications, including sending your documentation. Step 4. Now fill out some information such as your birth date and your passport information. Step 5. Select processing time. You can also include an additional service if you want to. Here's where you can tick the health declaration option if it's available, or the iVisa protection fee. Simply include it on your order for an additional fee and we'll take care of it for you. Now you can just finish your payment and relax. Our team of experts will process your travel documents and then send them to you via email. Now, are you traveling to multiple destinations? Then you can save time and money with iVisa Plus. iVisa Plus offers free travel documentation and 24/7 prioritized customer support for a yearly fee. Don't let the hectic travel documentation get in the way of having a relaxing vacation. At iVisa, we know how painful getting a visa can be, and we're here to help. We take care of all the documentation and processes of getting a visa and help you get the job done faster and easier. With us, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. We'll do it for you. We have 10 years of experience and have processed over 1 million documents with 1.2 million satisfied customers. Trust us with your documentation and you will surely come back to us next time as well. This is me, me, Thalma, your cool iVisa travel expert signing off for now and wishing you safe travels.